Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix a Twitter message that failed to send. First, go to Settings. Here, scroll down to go to Apps. Then go to App Management. Here search for Twitter. After that, open Manage Notifications. Turn on the toggle to allow notifications. Then go back and open App Permissions. Here, go to the camera. Change camera access to allow only while using the app. Then go back and open Location Permission and allow it access. Next, open Microphone Permission. Here, set the same access settings as well. After that, give it permission to access contacts, phone, and storage as well. Once you're done, go back and open Storage Usage. Here, you need to clear cache and data to get rid of extra data and bugs. Tap on OK. After that, open the Play Store. Here, search for Twitter. Search for any updates. Make sure your app is up to date. Once it is updated, tap to open it. Here, go to your inbox. Tap on the settings icon on your top right corner. Here you can control who can message you. Select the option of Allow Message Request from Everyone. Your problem will be fixed. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.